How to know if someone has saved your number in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily check if someone has saved your number in WhatsApp. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you're wondering the people in your contact has saved your number or if they have the number saved on their device, let's see how you can check it. The first thing you want to do is tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, and you just want to create a new broadcast. In some cases, you can find the option right here, but if you don't find it, tap on the three lines right here and create a new broadcast. Now select the contacts that you want to check if they have saved your number or not, and then tap on OK. So once you have done that, just click send any message right here. And if you just send this message, then it will be sent to both of these people, and you will know if they have read the message or not. So you just want to make sure that one person is the person that you know has saved you in their contacts, and one is the uncertain one. So if you see this message as read and it has been seen by the person who is in your contact and who has also saved you in your contact, then that means that the broadcast is working properly. And if the other person does not see the message or does not read the message, then that probably means that they have not saved you in their contact. So that's it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.